Evergreen, Candid. New trends in GK 2. Shelters and movements.
Now, Ginny thinks about his house where he can live safely.
Shelter.
A house is the shelter for human beings. It provides safety from wind, rain, snowfall. We can peacefully sleep at night in the house. Movement and
Hello.
Water animals. Hello kids. Welcome to the sea world. I am standing 5,000 meters below the sea surface. It's a very amazing experience. I can touch the water animals.
riverbeds, oceans, and seas are
Calling of springs.
Bear has lost
And birds.
deer. A deer